Hello there. Today we're going to look at the quantization option in BeatEdit for Audition. So with quantize off, what BeatEdit will do is select what it thinks are the best place to place each beat. So we can hear this in the drum loop here. And that sounds fine. If we turn quantize on, you'll see that these beats shift here a little bit. And what it's doing is simply making sure that each beat is the same distance, exactly the same distance from the rest of them. So when does this matter in effect? Well, we've got a beat matching exercise here. We've shrunk this one down so that it basically matches the beats of the top one. And the top one here is quantized, whereas the bottom one is not. And you can see some of the early beats here especially, they don't quite match up. So let's try deleting those markers, turning on quantize. And you'll see that they're still slightly off here. That's because we've got a bit of an offset that BeatEdit has detected. So let's set that down to 0 because we don't need it. Delete those markers again. And you'll see that once we just stretch that out a little bit, those markers will now match up precisely. So the other case where you'll find quantization is important is where you've got a song with a fuzzy beat or no beat at all at the beginning. So we've got this track loaded in here. If we turn off quantize, and you'll hear at the beginning, it's guessing for the beat, but not quite getting it.
This way from pain.
Not quite there, but when the song kicks in, you'll find
'Cause the dream never said to the dreamer.
You'll find the beat gets perfectly regular and it's all sorted out. Now, if we turn on quantization, you'll see that these beats become much more regular. And in fact, it works perfectly.
This way from pain.
So what it's doing here is taking the beat from later on and backtracking it to where there's no beat at all here. So that's it for quantization. The important thing to remember here is if you're in doubt, leave this box checked and it'll divide up your beats constantly. That's it for me. I've been Andy Redwood from mamoworld.com. Thank you for watching.